Oh, sorry. Habol ako eh.
Takot ako, bro.
Hindi, takot ako eh. Yung tapang eh.
Naglakad mo pa kasi tayo eh.
Hindi pa ganun bro, lalabanan mo yan. Parang aangasa mo ng konti. Kahit takot na takot ka.
Kahit mo sa kanya, hindi kanya kaya.
Oo, ganun yun. Diba, Jer?
Pag nagpatalo ka sa kanya, lalo kang ano yun yan, lalo kang abulin.
Oo, kailangan tayo
Kaya nga bawal ka tumakbo dyan eh.
Kailangan tayo submassive tayo eh. Submassive. Ito lang kami, naglalakad. May bibilin lang kami. Medyo madilim dito guys, tapos nakakatakot.
Pinakamalayong 7-Eleven.
Diba?
Walang ano rito, street lights, wala.
Yan, wala talaga oh. Diba?
Konti lang.
Mahamog. Oh, mahamog oh. Yun, dalawa naming bantay oh. Munti ka na kami habulin ng aso, Jer.
Yes.
Buti na lang dito.
Buti na lang, niligtas kami ni Kevin.
Guys, nakakatakot dito. Tingnan mo yung mga ano dito oh. Talagang walang tao no? Grabe. Walang tao dito, bro. Walang tao, tahimik, jungle. Pakita namin yung view oh. Yun oh. Yun yung mga kasama ko. Oh, matitigas.
Titigas, pero takot sa aso.
Ano yun, bro?
Wala.
Ano yun, sabi mo?
No, nothing.
Pag hinabol ka ng aso, huwag mong pansinin.
Oo.
Ikaw, ano sa'yo? Tingin mo.
Oo, kasi pag nagpatalo ka ron, lalo kang hahabulin nun eh.
Sabi mo bigyan ng barbecue, tapos
Yun nga,
ano?
diskarte ko dyan, bibili akong barbecue kasi pag hinabol ako dyan, papakitaan ko ng barbecue para
Grabe
Hindi
ang
na
aso,
ako
Jer, oh.
habulin.
Grabe.
Baka susuhula mo ba? Susuhulan mo yung aso.
Ano masasabi mo, Neil? Pag hinabol ka ng aso, anong gagawin mo?
Si Kevin ang palangga.
Uy, takbo! Ano yung mga aso talaga dito?
Gagi, nakita ko.
Dito, kaliwa. Wadi Kimay. I love you daw, Jer.
Lenny Boy! Ano nga Lenny Boy?
Sabi yung mga aso dito, mga rubos ko talaga. Kala ko mababait.
Kaya tatakbo pa kayo, hindi kayo pwede tumakbo. Grabe, walang tahol-tahol no?
Oo,
Walang tahol-tahol. Tumakbo siya pero hindi sa atin, papunta.
grabe.
Sinabi ko lang na sa likod na mayroong aso pero hindi sa atin papunta. Ba't siya tumatakbo?
Naglalakad kami, 15 minutes na to.
Parang
20 minutes na. 15 minutes lang to, bro. Diba? 7-Eleven, no?
na ba tayo bro?
Exercise yan, brother.
Ano daw si Kuya Moy?
Naku, iba talaga pag mayaman yung kaibigan mo.
Hindi. Ayoko nang magpahabol sa aso.
Oh.
Wala 7-Eleven Gerald,
Ha?
ang layo. Malapit na bro.
Lapit na yan, bro. Kunti na lang yan. Ano ba naman to?
Ano na lang,
Hmm?
3 kilometers?
Kaya nga, 3 kilometers. Yan o, di ba? Tayo patpat panglaban sa mga aso. Kasi ang layo eh. Yan o. Yun o, tinitin o. Di ba?
Na ano?
Panday. Panday o.
Self-defense.
Self-defense yan. So, buti yan bro. Ayos. Walang tatakbo ha.
Pag may nakagat ang aso dito, dapat may sunod sa hospital.
Ay, ganun?
Oo! Mapapa-anti-rabies mo agad yun.
Walang tatakbo, walang tatakbo. Kasi pag tumakbo tayo, patay. Pwedeng maiwan ka. Maiwan ka, Neil. Maiwan ka.
Ilahin kita agad yan.
Ligtas mo kami ha. Sagot na namin yung bakuna mo bro pag ganyan. Oh, tigi-tigi lang siya tayo eh. 600. Diba? Wala lang naman yun eh. Kisa lahat tayo makagat. Kasi pag nakagat tayo lahat. Tigi-tigi. Oh, 4 na bakuna. Oh.
Sacrifice
Magkano yung bakuna?
Mga 4,000 yun pag isang tao. Isa lang yung makagat natin para ambag-ambag lang doon sa bang bakuna.
Ay, mas malaki nga gasto.
Sacrifice na isa, no?
Reviews na siya, guys. Reviews na siya. Galing tayo dito kay brother. Experienceado na to eh.
Oo, kasi nakagat na ako ng aso eh.
Ano to? Dog whisperer to eh.
Oh,
Dog whisperer.
mga dog whisperer talaga.
Malulupit yan.
Malulupit no?
Mga trained.
Oh,
Pero,
Trained dog
dugi
whisperer.
pala si Kevin sa atin.
iwan ka na kami mamaya bro ha. Pag,
Kumakausap ng aso to eh.
Ayun na, ingay nyo kasi.
sinasabi ko eh.
Huwag na kasi kayo maingay.
Ayan, nabalitaan na ng iba.
Ito na sinasabi ko. Ayan na.
Hindi ko nabalitaan.
Hindi, wag na.
Ha?
Huwag na takbo.
Hindi, huwag tayo maingay. Tahimik lang tayo. Chill lang. Alam nilang di tayo tayo eh.
Uy.
Kung tatagalog tayo, hindi tayo maintindihan ng mga yan. Dapat yata magtay tayo bro eh. Pag ano, habulin tayo ng aso.
Hindi. Dapat
Kapom.
sawadik ka tayo muna.
Sa wati kapom, kutot na ka.
Sawadik car. Sawadik car.
Ito, hotspot na to eh. Kailangan ng wifi dito.
Hotspot na pala.
Hotspot na to.
Hotspot kumbaga sa wifi. Ito yung...
Ang ingay nyo kasi.
Hindi mo tayo maingay ah. Ayan na. Ito na yung sinasabi natin eh.
Binabalitaan na nila yung tanga-taga.
Bro, ang dami. Ang dami bro, ang dami. Uy, huwag yung tumakbo, ang dami bro. Ang dami.
Teka lang ha.
Hindi marami, mga 5 eh.
Tatakbukin.
Huwag ka tatakbukin.
Oo, natakbo. Uy,
Hindi, wag yan, hindi yan.
Kevin,
Nakakulong yun. Nakakulong.
hindi. Okay, relax lang kayo. Parang anim yung nakikita ko eh.
Hindi, nakakulong yan.
May nervous ako.
Kaya nga, buisit ka kasi.
Hindi sila nakatulong, tumakbo lang silang bigla eh.
Hindi, huwag mo pasinin.
Jer, ikaw yung depensa, ikaw yung atake. Tayo yung depensa takbo tayo, Jer, ikaw nang bahala dyan ha. Aray ko, itis ko. Tabi-tabi po.
Hindi yan yung aso nila.
Tabi-tabi po. Hindi yan. Walang tatakbo ha. Yan o, ang daming aso dito.
Kapon kap!
Yan o, may aso pa dito, sa mga tingin. Ito yata yung security guard dito eh. Saudi Corp. Hindi. Hindi yan, friendly yan. Hindi na tol eh. Hindi sinusundan talaga tayo bro. Hindi sinusundan talaga tayo. No, kita ka sa CCTV. Sige, sundan mo kami.
Happy bro.
Happy.
kabado.
Ayos. Kabado no?
Kasi, pag may nakita ng aso sa atin, hindi yung magiging happy.
Uy! Masasabi ko lang guys, success ang mission. Yan. May mga aso pero nakakulong naman sila guys. Mababait na sila ngayon. Ganyan lang, di ba?
Doon tayo sa babae.
Parang isang oras tayo na wala mahigit, no?
Dito na kami mag-temple run.
Temple run. Maze runner tayo guys. Wow! Home court. Safe. Alulululu. Safe. Safe tayo, safe. Hi guys, so we are here at the Scenery Vintage Farm. Dito yan sa Ratchaburi guys, together with Chanel's family. And then our friends are gone and we are looking for them. Chanel likes duck.
They're so cute.
What's that duck?
I don't know, but I saw that one in the migration movie.
You know, in the Philippines we eat duck.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's very delicious. Masarap. Uy, Chanel! Sean the sheep and doggy. Wow. Thank you, Kapungkap. Wow.
Archery.
So what's the plan?
I'm not good.
So,
They have that.
toy, where are we gonna keep it? Like,
Yeah, there's no space. Yeah, I don't know.
just do something with
It's okay, let's give for the home.
The archery is something that is unique.
That's what I'm
Oh,
gonna do. What are you doing?
so we can try it.
Kim, you want
That's
balloon?
good. Yeah.
Okay, let's go to Kim.
I'll do the balloon pop and I'll do archery.
What about can you get to the balloon?
Yeah.
It's free, right?
Can you play around
Yeah.
with it?
But here
Easily?
cannot.
No, you can. You can.
I don't know.
You can.
Oh, okay.
Libre yan bro, papakainin mo yung sheep.
Yeah, this
No,
one.
we're gonna play
You use
now.
this one.
Wanna
Ship
try
it.
Oh,
it?
keep
We
it
don't
in.
have space in the car, like if we win something. So
We're just gonna give
yeah,
it
we're
to
gonna try
someone.
the archery.
Oh.
And if we win something, we're just gonna give it to the kids around. Right.
Oh, very good.
Oh, no.
Focus.
Focus.
Uy!
Okay.
Think of Kyle.
Think of Kyle?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go.
Uy!
It's not but it's like, you don't even get it, so just go for it.
Uy! I told you it's hard.
I got one. You got two. I got two. Oh,
You
look at
think
that.
too, Kyle?
No,
Come here. Susu, come here.
Love Kevin.
Think of Gavin.
Really lost.
Think of Gavin. Uy, one. Uy, one. Uy!
You think of love. Love is what will make you win. Perfect. Go.
Go, Kyle. Focus, Kyle. Oh, yeah.
Go, Kevin. Stick Kevin.
Yeah! Two points.
For real, focus. No. Okay, Kevin. This is a goal. Shut up, that little.
Good try.
Space.
Oh, space. Oh, yeah, good one.
Higher.
Higher. Uy! That's good.
Look at this.
Jenny is really really good, huh?
Mude.
Picture, family.
Oh, picture.
Ano. Can you hold this? Yeah. Okay, but what about yours?
Yeah, it's okay.
Where's yours?
Yeah, that's one.
You need 3. We get 4.
Huh?
Look there.
Yeah, let's eat the sheep.
Kain sheep. I think I think sheep now.
Say kain.
Kain. Oh, for 10 years.
Maybe they will bite your hand.
No, we've
Take a
had bunnies
video, my
many
goodness.
times.
Chanel, maybe they can bite you.
Even they don't, man.
They stay on the sun, huh? They have rabies.
Oh, Kevin.
Now give me, malam.
You actually told you these ones. Kevin, you give to them there.
Oh.
For you.
What up? I'm getting sunburn.
That's so cute though.
Yeah, very good. 1, 2, 3. Smile. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa isang mountain dito sa Thailand. Napakaganda. Wait. Ah. Thank you.
Look.
Kamoy! I know you like this.
Eat.
Oh, eat for you. Ugly, malab. Look at your face. Look at your face. You're not ugly, you know. You want picture at the mountain.
Here.
What do you want? Give me good pictures. We have a lot of photos, malab.
We didn't get anything yesterday.
We did got. Smile, Camille. Yeah, very good.
Like this, they go like. If they're gonna fall in.
Kevin, all our photos are gonna be gone. Close your eyes. Be romantic.
No problem, ma'am. I'm here for you. I'm here to take shots for you. Okay? Okay, ma'am. Very good. Yeah. Show to me.
She's a camera woman now.
The new camera woman of Thailand, Camille.
Cameraman. Sorry, cameraman, you're fired.
I'm fired, guys. Chanel doesn't want me to take shots of her because I'm always giving her bad shots. Girl problems. Not satisfied, huh? I give her 10 photos, 15 photos in one shot.
Okay, wait, stop. It's just like this, like both of us walking.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile and open your gums.
Why keep it around the mountain?
Mountain. This is my mountain.
Close your eyes.
Give me your hand. Do you feel my heart beating?
Yeah, but it's like a...
1, 2, 3, go.